The Discount Tire Affiliate Program is a good affiliate program for every level of affiliate. Many affiliate programs have issues with targeting, but when you are selling a product that everybody needs and can't do without, sales are made with a lot more ease. It's a great addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. You can make money with one of the best affiliate programs out there month after month. Check this out. Discount Tire sells tires, wheels and accessories for civilian and commercial vehicles. Think about it. You see cars and trucks everywhere, and each of those vehicles have 4 or more tires. Well, each of those tires has to be replaced sooner or later. That means that opportunities to make sales are a huge and an ongoing opportunity day after day. There is always someone needing and buying new tires. Selling tires into one of the strongest markets is easier than some other niches. Tire sell keywords are searched over an estimated 900,000 times each month. This provides a tremendous opportunity for you to make sales when you employ the keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in the best position online. The average sell is around $139 plus, and affiliates receive 5% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in the searches where people are looking. This is a good affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.